guys, I know it's a bit of a while. I know, man's been busy, bro. Man's been busy. Okay, forget that, no excuses. So, today's Tuesday. What are you going to choose to do today? This one is good. This one is good. Basically, I've never shared this one before. So what are you going to choose to do today? Start from where you are with what you've got. I'm going to repeat that. Start from where you are with what you've got. Yeah, this is a bit deep. You know what I mean? This is emotional, right? I'm gonna share this, right? This is emotional, okay? There was a time in my career when I could only afford these 10p sketchbooks. And I'm gonna show them to you. All right, I know, it's a bit hard, but thinking back, I was so determined to keep on sketching that even though I couldn't afford a proper sketchbook, it didn't stop me. I started from where I was with what I had. Now, I'm going to go into, where's the tray? This is the tray. This is the tray. Okay, I'm going to bring them out. I'm going to come closer. I'm going to really come closer with this one. So, these sketchbooks were 10p. I don't even call them sketchbooks. They're just like jotters. They sold them in the market in Bermondsey when I used to live in Bermondsey, and this was in 2005. I was juggling a lot of stuff, so just gonna show you, really come close for this. Sketches, just sketches. See, sketches. This one is 2004, just a simple book. Sketches, non-stop. I'm gonna come back now. Non-stop, like, okay, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look, the whole tray is full. I can't continue to count. I basically sketched in all of these at a point in time until I was able to go classic. But what am I trying to say? This is it. No excuses. No excuses. No excuses. Whatever you've got now, start using it. Develop a habit. I tell people this, the key thing you want to do, wherever you are in your career, you be a student, whatever. When I started this, I was at Heatherley's, full-time student. I just got married. It was tough. I was a full-time student. I had a full-time job, but I was juggling stuff like crazy. It was mad. But there was one thing on my mind. I never wanted to stop sketching. So I filled the whole, these little notebooks, they're just little jotter things. They used to sell them in the market, and I'll pick them. And all I needed was a pen. And you can get a pen for like 20p, 30p. A big ballpoint pen, that was all. I don't even think I started using the Tombos here. But what's the key thing today? Like, what's the key thing I'm trying to, what am I trying to encourage you where you are? What am I trying to let you know? Look, today I can ask any sketchbook supplier to send me complimentary sketchbooks, and they will, because I'm the Addictive Sketcher. But I wasn't at that point. But I was trying to develop an obsession. Because you've got to be obsessed about what you do. I don't know what you do. You might be a singer, a writer, a performer, whatever. Be obsessed. Go all in. Forget about all what is happening around you. Just focus on one thing and do it with all. I'm going to go again. All your heart. Throw your life into it. Give it everything you've got. And I can guarantee you, if you start where you are, with what you've got, give it your best shot, it will only be a matter of time when the rewards start coming in. Thank God it's Tuesday! And what are you going to choose to do today? Start with what you've got and use it to the best of your ability. Thank you.